Hello there again guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about some tips that you need to learn about choosing the best camera for vlogging. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly like, subscribe, and please click the notification bell for more updates. Alright, let's get started. When choosing a camera for vlogging, you need to consider the following factors. The first one is the image quality. Your camera should produce high quality images and videos. Look for cameras with at least 1080p resolution and a high quality lens. There are actually items that you can buy to make your camera lens stand out like no other. Number 2, portability. Since you'll be carrying the camera around with you, it should be lightweight and easy to handle. Consider a compact camera or a mirrorless camera. On my part, I am using my mobile phone or iPhone to create my content for different social media platforms. Tip number 3, audio quality. Good audio is just as important as a good video quality. Look for a camera with a built-in microphone or a microphone input. Aside from earphones and other microphones, you can also edit your voice in different editing software to make it sound professional. Tip number 4, battery life. Vlogging can be time consuming, so make sure your camera has a long battery life so it's easy for you to charge on the go. Tip number 5, stabilization. A camera with a good stabilization will help you create smooth, professional-looking videos. Look for cameras with built-in stabilization or consider purchasing a gimbal. Some gadgets used in vlogging are really expensive, but you need to try some editing tips to get started. Tip number 6, connectivity. Consider a camera with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity so you can easily transfer your videos to your computer or phone for editing and sharing. For me, I'm using my phone. Tip number 7 is the price. There are cameras available at a variety of price points, so consider your budget when choosing a camera. They also say that the best camera is the one that is available, so just make your own content more creative. I hope these tips help you choose the right camera for your vlogging needs. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you want to watch the most viewed video, just click it here. And if you want to watch the recent video, just click it here. And if you want to subscribe on our YouTube channel, just click it here. Enjoy! Bye!